What's up, everybody? It's your big bro Mikey coming at you once again today on this beautiful Friday. How is everybody doing today? I tell you what, we got a good one for you today. I found me some headphones that are Bluetooth connected, and they work great because that's how I did my last video about the how to train your dragon video. But today we are going to be making chicken, bacon, and ranch wraps at home. Yep, chicken, bacon, and ranch wraps at home. And this is the bacon we will be using. So we'll be using the rest of the bacon that we had from a previous video. Here's the calorie count for those who's interested in the calorie count and whatnot. Pause for the cause and large in charge. But let's direct our attention to and getting it warmed up. And let's go ahead and turn our fan on. And let's get our bacon frying. If you're off on the weekend, I hope you have a great weekend. Father's Day is right around the corner and all that. There we go. Now we're starting to sizzle. Like listening to the rhythm of that sizzling bacon. Oh yeah. Listening to the sound of sizzling bacon. But of course you can't really hear it because of where I got headphones, Bluetooth headphones connected. But how's everybody? I know I've already said that. So what do y'all have planned for Father's Day? Any fathers out there got anything planned that they want to do? Leave it down in the comments. And I know I haven't been on Discord in a long time, but that doesn't mean that everybody else can't talk to one another. I created this platform for everybody that's part of the Bro fam. I created it for everybody that subscribes. Because I'm not on it, don't mean everybody else can't get on it. I mean, I'll eventually get back on it too. up some bacon. Oh yeah. Work is going good. Been busy with work lately. The past week or so I had to close different stores down. They needed the help and whatnot. And yeah, so that's how my day weeks have been going. It's been busy. Busy. What's up, Tom Tom? What you doing on? What's going on, girlfriend? Smelling that delicious bacon, girl? And as that bacon is frying up, I want to introduce a new Doritos queso Doritos in my bag. Flavor explosion of food, cheese, and heat. And there's the backside for large in charge. Pause for the cause. For all the nutrition factories. And here's again, here's the front side of this one. So let's open her up and give her a taste test, shall we? Because you know what we do and how we do around here. 1, never again. 5 alive, 10 being a win. Anything above a 10 is bro-tastic. First of all, the smell test. Smells like Doritos and queso. That's what it looks like. And yes, they are $6 a bag. Wow. From scale to 1 to 10, and they're a limited edition. Don't want to miss that out. So you don't want to miss out. They're only a limited time only. They bring a little bit of heat, but not too bad. A kid could even eat it for how mild the heat is. But it's a 12, so it's a bro banger. So go get yours, whatever superstore you have around you, gas station, or whatever you find them at. I found them at my local grocery store. So, I would most definitely buy them before they're gone. Because like I said, they're a limited time only. Now back to what's on hand. Bacon looks done. Let's give it a plate. that slow-mo flip on the bacon. Ooh, dog it. Roll it away. These are the chicken tendies that we're going to be using for the chicken bacon ranch wraps. Technically, chicken nuggets. And here's the nutrition facts. Cause for cause, large and charging. And we'll be putting them in the air fry. Basically cleaning out the refrigerator of the stuff that we already have, you know what I mean? And there ain't nothing wrong with that, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with it. What you talking about, George? Or whatever, how that... Remember the 80s show? What are you talking about? What you talking about? What are you talking about, Willis? Because you know why? Listening to that little mother fry and bacon. Too bad there ain't smell-o-vision. There's something I ain't said in a while. A while, as Stu Griffin would say. A while. You put so much emphasis on H. Cause I can. Sunny days. Any day is a good day where bro might be. Can you tell me how to get to bro Mikey? Restaurant that is. So we're pretty much done with the bake to the bake on. Go ahead and keep that rolling for a minute or two. Get all the smoky dokey out. Laura will go river. There she goes, just walking down the street. She do what right on. Sorry for the brightness in the background. We'll be right back so I can rearrange stuff. And here we are at our fancy air fryer. Instapot type air fryer, and it's quite nice looking. And we already have it set on air fry. It's the button that's flashing. And it's already ready. As you can tell that it clicked over. First thing you want to do is open this up. See that light? First thing you want to do is spray this so nothing sticks. A good coating like that. Then grab our nuggets. Might as well just enough for 2 wraps. Get that small one out of there. That was probably more like breading anyway. There we go. That's enough for 2 nugs, for 2 wraps, I mean. And put it back on, air fry, and it's already at the It's already at where we need it to be. Stick our nose back in the freezer. And just push the green button that says start. Pretty high tang. So yeah. So apparently we had to preheat it first. It's one, like I said, folks, it's one of those fancy ones. So we'll be back once it's done preheating. Alright folks, we are 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. Oh yeah. These are the burrito shells that we're going to be using. Here's the nutrition facts on them. For those who want the nutrition facts. Pause for the cause, enlarge, and charge. And we got our fancy bowl that we're going to put the chicken nugs in. And we also have our fancy dinner plate. If you're anything like me, you don't like washing dishes, because back when I first started working, I used to be a dishwasher. Alright, 40. And it does light up. And it does light up, so yeah. So, homemade chicken wraps, bacon, chicken, bacon, and ranch. And a lot of people say, oh, you can't use this or that. Yeah, you can. You can use whatever chicken you want. They look delicious. tongs. Bam, son. Whoops. Bam. Yeah. What are you doing, Smokey? I mean, not Smokey, but Thirsty Thurs. Huh? What you doing, Thirsty Thurs? And yeah, I'm talking to a cat. His name is Thirsty Thurs. Her name is Thirsty Thurs. And that's why you want to spray your air fryer, is so that it don't stick on you. Bring everything over here. Bring the bacon back over here. Bring the tongs over here. Put you on pause for a second so I can adjust. And there you have it, folks. Put this right here. There we go. Because I need the actual plate next time. Whoa! Man, it's been a minute since I wrapped a burrito. I need to get back in touch. It got ripped on me. And these are big shell burritos too. There we go. That's just gonna have to be good enough. That's just gonna have to be good enough. And these are the big shells too, folks. And yup. You know Bro Mikey can make stuff look better than this. I had just enough bacon. Maybe 5 was too many too. Let's try that. There we go. I need the last one. I'm sorry, I just want to make it look pretty. I just wanted to make it look pretty. It already has ranch on it. And I'm talking about the wrap part of it. There. With a piece of bacon left over also. And let's get things cleared away and we'll be right back. And there you have it, folks. Chicken, bacon, and ranch. Chicken, bacon, and ranch wraps. If you liked this video, smash that thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. And please, always share, because sharing is caring. Here from Bro Mikey. This is Next Level Cooking. Y'all stay safe. God bless. And we'll see you next time, folks. Until then, happy Father's Day. If I don't see you before then. And hopefully I might. But yeah. Y'all keep it frosty as we journey into our summer months. Peace out. Got nothing but love for you. Oh yeah, almost forgot. I forgot to do the taste test. But I already know how good I am. You know it's always gonna be a bro banger every time I do something and that my friends. That's why I like having people in the kitchen with me, so they can give me their honest opinions. Because like I said, I know what my food tastes like. I know it's gonna be a winner every single time. But leave it down in the comment section. Would you give this a whirl? Would you make it homemade? Have you made it homemade? If you like chicken and if you like bacon, why not throw it all together? If you like ranch also. But until then, we'll see you next time. And I most definitely would buy them chips. But make sure you get them before they run out, because it is a limited edition. Peace out, my friends.